Good afternoon, Elba. Please tell me about yourself and your work experience.
Good day, I'm Elba Balianas. I'm 31 years old, single, and I live with my parents. My mother and my father are unemployed. I have 3 brothers and 1 sister. I am a high school graduate, and I am the youngest of the family. I work in Kuwait with 3 kids. I do cooking, cleaning the house, ironing the clothes, and washing the clothes, and take care of the baby, which is 9 months. And also I work in Oman with a couple family with 3 kids, 16 years old, 13 years old, and 9 years old. I do cooking, cleaning, and washing clothes and ironing. And I also work in Qatar with a couple family with 5 adults. I do house chores.
What time do you usually sleep and wake up when you were working?
I sleep at 10 o'clock in the evening, and I wake up at 5 a.m. in the morning.
Are you the one who does the cooking and marketing at home?
Yes, ma'am.
In 1 week, how many times do you go to market?
Twice a week, ma'am.
How do you describe the kind of upbringing your parents did to you?
My parents are very strict, but they teach me how to do house chores.
Do they spoil you or teach you how to be independent?
They did not spoil me, ma'am, but they teach me how to be independent.
In Hong Kong, kids are super active and sometimes they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
I'm very patient for the kids, ma'am, and talk them slowly.
In your previous work, how did you manage the children? And what are you going to do if the kids are too playful so you can work smoothly?
I do manage my time, ma'am, and I teach the kids when I finish my work. Teach them how to draw or read the lesson.
How would you describe your previous employers? Did they give you a set of rules they like or don't like you to do, or it is up to your style?
My employer before is very strict, but sometimes they not, sometimes good, but they let me do my work alone as long as finish my work.
Is there another helper in your previous employers?
No, ma'am.
Are you afraid of dogs or cats?
No, ma'am.
Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, ma'am.
Please sing it.
Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Little chica wants to play. Rain, rain, go away.
Thank you. Are your teeth natural or false teeth?
My teeth is all natural, ma'am.
Thank you, Elba. That's all.
Thank you, ma'am, and good day.